Hey everyone! Today, we're going to make a heart keychain with a cute border, and I'll be showing you how to make it in 2 different sizes. This is a super simple project, and it only takes about 15 to 20 minutes to finish. Alright, let's get started by making a slip knot. Just do it the way you're most comfortable with. Now we're going to make some chains. Yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook, and continue until you have a total of 4 chains. Once that's done, we'll join it to form a ring. Insert your hook into the very first chain, and make sure you're going in from the back side, not the front. Now yarn over, pull through the chain, and pull through the loop on your hook. That's a slip stitch, and now you have a small ring. Next, go ahead and chain 3. Now yarn over twice. We're going to start working right into the center of the ring. Now you can see small hole here. Make a treble crochet. Now insert your hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn over, pull through 2. And again, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. That's your first treble crochet. Let's make 2 more treble crochets into the ring. Here's the second treble crochet. And the third treble crochet. Now we'll move on to double crochets. Yarn over once, insert into the ring, yarn over and pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And yarn over, pull through 2 again. That's your first double crochet. Let's make 2 more. Here's the second double crochet. And the third double crochet. Now, let's shape the bottom of the heart and create that cute, pointy tip. Now chain 1, just 1 chain. Next, make 1 treble crochet into the ring. This is your center point. Chain 1 again. Now we're going to repeat the same stitches on the other side, but in reverse order. Start with 3 double crochets into the ring. Here's the first double crochet. The second double crochet. And the third double crochet. Now make 3 treble crochets into the ring. Here's the first treble crochet. The second treble crochet. And the third treble crochet. Now chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And finally, slip stitch into the ring to finish this round. Alright, moving on to round 2. We're going to start working into the chain 3 space. You should be able to see that space clearly now. Go ahead and make 3 single crochets into that space. Here's the first single crochet. Second and third. Now, in the next stitch, we're going to make a half double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch. Yarn over and pull through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook, then pull through all 3 loops at once. That's a half double crochet. Go ahead and make 1 more half double crochet in that same stitch. So that's 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. In the next stitch, make 3 half double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next stitch, make 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. 1 and 2. Now make 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Make 1 single crochet. Then make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And again 1 single crochet. Next, make 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space. Now chain 1. Into that treble crochet stitch right in the center, make 1 double crochet. Chain 1 again. Now go back into the chain 1 space and make 1 single crochet. Then make 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Make 1 single crochet. Then make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And again single crochet. In the next stitch, make 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. In the next stitch, make 3 half double crochets. 1, 2, 3. In the next stitch, make 2 half double crochets. 1, 2. Now, into the chain 3 space, make 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. And to finish, slip stitch into the ring. At this point, you can actually finish your heart here if you're using 5-ply or any thicker yarn. Just add your lace and you're good to go. But if you're working with a lighter weight yarn, I'd suggest adding 1 more round the 3rd round. That way, you'll get a nice medium-sized heart. Otherwise, if you stop right here, your heart might turn out a little smaller than expected. Alright, let's move on to round 3. Start by making 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. The first stitch might be a little hidden, so just take a moment to find it properly before you start working. If you're not sure, you can always use a stitch marker and mark that first stitch. It'll make things much easier. 1, 2, 3. In the next stitch, make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. 1, 2. Then make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, again make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. 1, 2. Now go ahead and make 8 single crochets, 1 in each stitch. Just continue evenly, all the way to 8. Next, make 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space. Then make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And again, 1 single crochet into the next chain 1 space. Now make another 8 single crochets, 1 in each stitch. In the next stitch, make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. 1, 2. Then 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, make 2 single crochets again. 2. Now finish with 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. And then slip stitch to close the round. Once you're done, go ahead and fasten off. Now pull the yarn through the first stitch and tighten it. Go ahead and make a small knot to secure it. Then, take your yarn and weave it in, hiding it neatly behind the stitches. Now, let's add the border. Take your white yarn and join it into the first stitch of this round. Just insert your hook, pull the yarn through, and secure it. Chain 3. Now skip one stitch and slip stitch into the next stitch. This will be the third stitch from your hook. Again, chain 3. Skip one stitch and slip stitch into the next stitch. Keep repeating this pattern, chain 3, skip 1, slip stitch all the way around. For the last part, skip one stitch and slip stitch into the previous slip stitch. Now cut your yarn and pull it through to secure. Take a yarn needle and weave in the end, insert it through the first stitch and pull it through to the back. Now tie a small knot with both loose ends to secure everything. Then go ahead and hide the ends neatly on the wrong side of the heart. Now make a tiny bow and glue it right at the center of the heart. And that just adds a really cute finishing touch. And that's it, your heart is all done. Now you can add a keyring and attach it to your bag. It makes such a cute, aesthetic little charm. I hope you loved this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to hype this video, like, share, and drop a comment below. It really supports the channel. And I'll see you in the next video.